HP Marine High Performance Synthetic Marine 2-Stroke Oil. High-quality oil is critical for maximum performance in modern 2-stroke marine motors. Direct fuel injection improves combustion efficiency, delivering the extra power boaters want, while leaner gas-to-oil ratios provide the reduced exhaust emissions the government mandates. The leaner ratio leaves less oil to lubricate and protect these hotter, more powerful motors, which invites deposits and wear that threaten engine performance in life. HP Marine is proven to excel in these harsh conditions. It controls performance robbing friction, heat and wear, yet produces low smoke and has low aquatic toxicity properties. It's an oil as advanced as the engines it protects. HP Marine provides outstanding wear protection. The elevated heat and friction of modern 2-stroke marine motors can exceed the film strength of inferior oils, increasing the likelihood of scuffing and wear. HP Marine's exclusive synthetic formulation provides increased lubricity for reduced wear during normal and lean mix operation. HP Marine exhibits excellent deposit control. HP Marine is formulated with MaxDose, a system of advanced additives for super clean operation. It helps prevent deposits that lead to poor performance. In field testing, HP Marine prevented ring sticking and ring jacking carbon buildup behind the ring, forcing it outward, a phenomenon that occurs in modern DFI outboard motors. It also virtually eliminated exhaust port deposits for reliable, efficient operation. Key benefits of HP Marine include: helps prevent deposits, protects against wear, low smoke, protects against rust, low aquatic toxicity, superior performance as an injection oil or at 50-to-1 premix. Join the millions of proud Amsoil users to experience the difference and get your HP Marine today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to oilprotech.com and click on the Shop Now link. Thanks, have a great day.